Hi everyone, I'm Nirvana from RK32. My metric number is 1911723997. Today I and my partner Sri Shalini we're going to present about project 1 for subject EQT 271, which is coordinated by our lecturer Dr. Khatija Husna Abdul Rani. Now we are seeing the background of this project. We have a few of them, and the first one is the importance issue of this dataset is the changes in average retail price of the selected food item from the year 2010 to 2019. And the second one is the importance to investigate the changes in average retail price of this food. The third one is we have classified these datasets into 4 categories. And the last but not the least, we have 3 variables involved in this project.
Project 1, a secondary dataset is selected. In this secondary dataset, it consists 28 listed food items, which is known as the sample size, together with the years that are studying is from 2010 until 2019 of the average retail price. So we can see there are 2 variables that we can identify, which is the listed food items are known as the qualitative variable, whereas the years and the prices are known as the quantitative variable. To narrow down the study, we have categorized all these listed food items into 4 different categories, which are fruits, meats, vegetable, and ingredients. The price of these listed food items are in Brunei dollar currency, which is BND. The source of this data set is from the Department of Economic Planning and Statistic, Ministry of Economic. To specify the study of the data set for project 1, 4 objectives was made, which are: the first one is to analyze the average retail price of each food by category annually. The second is to study the trend of average retail price of the selected food items yearly from 2010 to 2019 by category. Third, to compare the difference in the retail price between selected food items yearly. Fourth, to determine the highest and lowest average retail price in the fruits category.
The first objective for this project is to analyze the average price of each food by categories, and I use numerical method to analyze this objective. I find the mean and standard deviation. For mean, I sum up all the price of food in a category and divide with the number of food in a category. With the mean, I find my standard deviation. Standard deviation is used to measure the data distribution. And with seeing this data, we can see that fruit has the lowest standard deviation and the meat has the highest standard deviation compared to other categories. And lowest standard deviation is the data point tend to be closer to mean, and for high standard deviation it means that more spread out from the mean. And I think this standard deviation is caused by the number of foods in a category. For fruit, there are only 3 foods type of foods in the category, and for meat there are 9 type of foods in the categories.
This stack bar chart shows the trend over the years for 4 types of categories, which is the ingredients, meat, fruit, and vegetables. So as you can see, the meat and the vegetables always has been in uptrend form, while the fruits has been in downtrend. The ingredients seems to increase and then suddenly drop in price. So there's no condition of uptrend and downtrend in the ingredients category. This data shows the comparison between 2 types of oil, which is butter and margarine. As you can see, the trend of butter is gradually increasing while the margarine is gradually going down. And then you can see from the 2019, the price of butter in the year of 2019 has gone up to 628 cents for only 340 grams, while for margarine, for only 1 kg has only gone down to 441 cents. So in conclusion, butter has been always increasing, while margarine has been dropping in price over the years.
The final objective of the project is to determine the highest and lowest retail price in the fruit category. I chose graphical method to analyze my objectives. To have a better view on the changes of price between 3 fruits, which is papaya, watermelon, and banana. And I also choose line graph to present my data. From the graph, we can notice that the price of banana is slightly higher than watermelon and papaya, and also has the most stable price compared to both fruits. On 2016, we can see that watermelon and papaya has shared the same price, which is $1.40. And onwards 2017, the price of papaya has decreased and the price of watermelon has increased. As a conclusion, I can say that by using graph line, I can determine the highest and lowest retail price in the food category. For our project, we have analyzed 4 different types of objective for this project. As objective, we have used numerical method to calculate the mean and standard deviation that were referred from the mean. And through calculating the standard deviation, it gives a better clarity about measuring the spread of data distribution of the dataset. For the second objective, we have used stack bar chart, and by using this stack bar chart, we have a clear overall view of observation in increase and decrease of average retail price of the selected food. For the third objective, we have used group bar chart, and by using group bar chart, we have a better comparison as it involves 2 different food items. For objective, we have used graphical method too, which is we have analyzed the quantitative data in a graph line to have a better understanding on the prices of food by categorized. The conclusion is we have achieved our objectives. Thank you.